about that. Jamaica's first international lifestyle residence. Can you imagine? And that is one out of the 4 towers. So there's going to be 4 towers. That's Montego being a good again. So this is the first of 4 towers. What are they? 8 floor or 28 floors. And that is one of 4. So when they say the residential lifestyle. Yeah man, so this is the first one of 4. What them say? Jamaica's first lifestyle residence. One of the Chinese that might be the first Facebook right there. This I go up pretty fast. This I go up really fast.